Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a four-star Sudoku in today's newspaper on Tuesday, August the 23rd, 2022. We have already saw one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku. Well, seems to be a four stars. We have three puzzles left: the four-star Sudoku, the tectonic with four stars, and the binary. But let me continue with the Four Stars Sudoku. And this will be number 5059. Before I start, I always count up 20 digits. Well, this one has 24 20 digits. One less than the previous Sudoku. Previous Sudoku, I need 35 minutes. So, let's see for the 4 stars. If it's really 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. We will see if this is really a 4 stars. Alright, let me scan the puzzle. 2 ones we have here. 3 twos. 1 3. 3 fours. 2 5. 2 sixes. 3 sevens. 4 eights. So the eights are in majority. And 3 nines. Yes. Let me see if I can start with the 8. No, I cannot start with the 8. Okay. Yeah. 8, 8. Okay. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the second row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 9 in the last row. Sorry, 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is an 8. We have an 8 in this third row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes here. An 8 in the second column, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last column, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. Now I cannot continue with 8. 2 2 7 7. Alright. 2 2 5 5 5. 1 1. Scanning, still scanning. 7 7. 9 9 9. Come on. 2 2. Six nine. 6 9 6 9. 6 9 6. Here can be 9 9. Here should be the 9. 9 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6. No. 6 6. Still scanning. 7 2 8. Well, here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 7 2 and 8. We have a 7, 2, and 8 in this row, so no 7, 2, and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 7, 2, and 8 goes in those 3 boxes. 7, 2, 8, 7, 2, 8, 7, 2, 8. And look, we have 7 and 8 in this column, so no 7 and 8 in this box. So one digit left should be the 2. So the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 6. So what are these 3 missing numbers then in this row? 1, 3, 6, 1, the 2, the 3. Yeah, the 4 is missing. Okay, we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 4 should be there. So 2 missing numbers now. 1, 3, 6. These 2 missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9 in this row. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 5 goes there. Yeah, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. 3, 6. 9, 9, 5, 5, 5. 7, 2, 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next, so that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 8, 1. Okay. What are these 3 missing numbers? Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And look, we have a 3 in this big square. Oh, wait. We have a 3 and a 5 in this row. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this big square. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 3 goes there. So one digit left in this column for number 7. We have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see a 7 in this column, 3rd column. So no 7 there, 7 should be there. The 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Let me mark those. 6 and the 7. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Okay. 7, 6, and the 2. 7, 6, and the 2. Here can it be 6, 7, 2, or a 6. 2 and a 6. Alright. Still thinking. 6, 6. 7, yeah, 7 in this column. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the first row. So no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the 3rd row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, 7, 7, 7. Now we have a 7 in the last column, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 6. 7 and 8. We have a 7 now in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 136, 136. Nope. Well, these 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. Well, cannot fill this yet. Need to mark them. 2 and the 9, 9. 2 and the 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 2 in the middle row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2. Is this a 2? Yeah, this is a 2. This is a 2. So yeah. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the second row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the third row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. Alright. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second row, so no 4 there. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. Oh, we already have a 4 here. Overlook this 4. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. 4 in this column, third column, 4 in this first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 4. Wait. Okay. Then. 2 missing numbers in the first row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1 and 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this row, first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Okay. 5, 5. Yeah, 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 5. It should be there. 5 in the third column. 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row. So no 5 there. 5. It should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 5, number 5. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 in the second column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So we have a 6 in the third column. 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1 and a 3. Look, we have a 3 in the first column. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column. So no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9, 3 and the 9. We have a 3 in this row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 6 goes there. Fine. No 2 numbers in this big square. I've marked these 3 boxes with 1, 3, 6. We have a 1 already. So those 2 boxes should be the 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Cannot believe this. I'm twice as fast than the previous Sudoku. Previous Sudoku 4 stars. This is not a 4 stars. It's not a 3 stars. It's a 2 stars. Yeah, 2 stars Sudoku. Alright. I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. So, wrong indication with 4 stars, 2 stars. Bye bye for now.